Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is a little journal. It's an autumn nature theme. I meant to put it on ages ago and I forgot all about it. The size of it is about 4.5 by 6. It's got 2 signatures. I can't remember where I got this image from. This is some lovely very ornate sort of lace thing I've had for years. I put some lacy fabric here, and the material is it's curtain samples, and there's a lining of the curtain sample, and I've put felt in the middle of it. And this was a little cream ribbon, and I've dyed it with the Tim Holtz Distress ink pads. I've got a little lacy pocket there. Oh, I can't remember where I got this. Anyway, pumpkin, and there's room for writing in the back. This is a quote from a Serif Craft Artist kit that I've got. It was on a Gracie Tracy digital kit, and I used the Artymaze. I think I've got I can't remember the name of the kit, but I've got part of a kit and some of our freebies. So this is little mushrooms, and I've got a bit of sari silk there. This little pocket and tags is from Kelly Watson. I'll put her link down below. She's got a Facebook group as well. It's a little freebie from her. A little sticker I've got. Some pages out. A little jotter. I've done some stamping on some tea dyed paper, or coffee dyed paper, whatever it is. That could be from Artymaze as well. And there's a couple of little tags there. Little freebies. Oh, some old papers I've got. This was a little doily from Roxy's Creations, digital doilies. Some brown paper, and I put some dyed the little flowers there. Used a punch here, some Artymaze bits, freebies again, and another little tag or card from Artymaze. This is some papers from a Serif Craft Artist kit. I've got a little paper clip embellishment. Just like that. And on, that was Artymaze's kit as well. And a little envelope from Artymaze with a little card inside. Got some vellum paper. More paper from Serif Craft Artist. It's like tree bark. And that folds out. More paper for journaling on. Done some more. Oh, it's not stamping, I've used stencils. Always get that muddled up. Some odd papers I've got, and there's more little tags. A mini tag and a mini card. That's Artymaze freebies. Little brown paper bag, and it has some little bits and pieces from Artymaze, and they're all blank in the back. Well, I can't remember, roughly bit, and some more bits from Artymaze there. Some eco-dyed paper from Tailor-Made Designs, and then on here, this is a little envelope and tag. It says fall. This is from Glenda's World. She's on Facebook and she's got a blog, and she's sometimes got little freebies. So I'll put a link for that as well. I've had a few little things off of her, they're quite nice. And I've cut that out from a Serif Craft Artist kit. I've just written autumn there. And this page folds out as well. That's quite lovely, that eco dye in there. I'd love to try it myself, but I just don't have the time for it. Bit of paper for journaling on. I've cut some mushrooms out. I can't remember who they're from. I'll try and remember and put it down below. And that was a little envelope. And oh, there's another quote there. Autumn, the last smile of summer. How lovely. Oh, and I've this decoupaged these little bits and pieces on here. That's more of paper from Serif Craft Artist and bits and pieces from that same kit, or a different Craft Artist kit. I just decoupaged it on. And then same in the back here, the mushroom. I can't remember who it is. Another little envelope and card from Glenda's World, and the other side of that, eco-dyed paper from Tailor-Made Designs. There's a little envelope, and I can't remember what you call these bits, from Artymaze, and this has got a little tag inside. It's blank in the back. I've got a little mushroom sticker. Artymaze papers again. Other side of the paper bag, and it's got some little bits and pieces. Oh, another little envelope. It's not an envelope. It looks like an envelope, but it folds out, and there's journaling space on it. And a little journaling card. This is washi tape, I think I've got. This is from Artymaze as well. Or Freebies. This isn't a freebie, this is a ephemera kit, I think. More stenciling, blank paper, tree bark paper, vellum, a little sticker, a little bit of sari silk, another little paper clip embellishment, and I've dyed green ribbons for all these. The paper with the leaves on it. This is Artymaze up under Freebies again, another little journaling card. I just use brown paper there. That's some cartridge paper, I think. And there's some other little bits from Artymaze there. I'm recording this up the stairs in my craft room, so it isn't quite as good as doing it in the living room. More stenciling. And this is the end of the first signature, and this is a little freebie from Kelly Watson and the guest check. This pumpkin spice recipe card is from Glenda's World. And the second signature is much the same, so I'll just flip through that. Freebies again. more bits from Artymaze. Another little doily. Little journaling card. Another little paperclip embellishment. Lovely paper from Artymaze. A little sticker. And a bit of sari silk. Vellum. Tree bark paper. Folds out. Paper for journaling. Paper I've stenciled. Some more little bits there. Brown paper bag with some little bits and pieces in it. That one of that envelopes with the journaling paper on the back. Another journaling card. Artymaze papers. Little mushroom sticker and another little envelope with a journaling card in it. More eco-dyed paper from Tailor-Made Designs. And another little envelope with card tucked in there. And there's this little envelope that I've more mushrooms. And there's some a little bit in there. Come out. Oh, a little bit to write on. Doily. Some more paper with decoupage, some bits in there. More mushroom, another little pocket there with more paper in it, or a card to journal. Oh, it's another quote about the equinox. Another little card and a little tag in it from Glenda's World. Another little ruffly bit and a little bit from Artymaze here. Other side of the pocket. There's some other little bits in here. And some more little tags. Vellum. Another little envelope with a little card in it for writing on. Another paperclip embellishment. It toned in with the papers there. The orange. Lovely. And another little tag. Flowers. Artymaze mushrooms there. Oh. Another little bit of flip side to write on. And the last page is another couple of little freebies from Artymaze. And I'll have that tiny receipt. And then more papers to write on. And a little freebie from Kelly Watson with a couple of little tags. And at the back, another little lace pocket. This was another little freebie from Kelly Watson. Little file. And I've decoupaged it there. And in here, it's off a little notelet set I had, and I thought it's quite nice with the owl in it. I went with the theme. And that's it. Excuse the quality of the video, but as I said, I'm better down the stairs in the living room at the big table doing this. But I hope you liked it, and thanks for joining me. Bye.